Yeah, Colin, there he goes.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Come
How
here.
do you are? You
Come
love
here.
it? You love a second snow? A second year for you? Please love it. Hi, sweetie pie. You're so cute. Hi, mom. Hi, dad. Look at your grand. You look at your grandson. Run, run. Run, come here.